What's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. We back at it like an addict. We dropped 2 videos last week. Now we're gonna drop a video this morning, Monday. Hopefully everything going good for y'all. I sold a couple cars last week, so last week was going good. Um, now we're here. We're back Monday. Hope everything was going good with y'all. Want y'all to check in, make sure everything is good. So today we're gonna be looking at this vehicle that I bought. I'm gonna keep it as a personal vehicle. I finally decided to stop being cheap. Psych. I ain't gonna never stop. I'm not gonna never stop being frugal. It's not necessarily cheap. It's just being frugal. So as y'all know, y'all probably don't know, I haven't really owned a personal car because I have always have access to cars. So it's like always to the best to just I was just always just driving what was available. But now I'm actually bought a car. I bought a Subaru. So about to show y'all. Here we go. It's a 2009 Subaru Legacy. I think it's like special edition. The lights are flickering. I don't know if it's something going on with that. So we need to find a rim though. I'm gonna have to find a rim and get it realigned because that's the only thing that I found different. Like this rim is making it ride funny. Maybe because this rim is bent too. So I'm gonna find 2 rims and then just put that one as a replacement. Let me see what size tires these is. So these is 18. So that's why I was riding funny because these is 18, and then this tire right here is a 16. So that's why I was wondering why I was making so much noise and riding funny. So for right now, I'm gonna just park it. This is my Subaru. It's me and Subi now, man. Me and Subi. I got it from Gilman, so Gilman Auto. I bought it off of ACV online. I usually buy a good amount of cars from them. Actually, when they run their cars, because they usually run their cars on Tuesdays and Thursdays, no reserve. It's got a little rust spot right there. Nothing too crazy. We fixed that up. I'm gonna see if I can find 2 rims. It does have a check engine light because it said a misfire in cylinder 2, but it has 141,000 miles. Traction control on, light is on because obviously it's gonna be on because it's got three of the same size wheels, and then the tire pressure's on because it's got the 16, and then we got this cruise control over here flashing. But we'll figure that out. It's probably, I don't know what's that about, but we'll figure it out. But good interior. Like, throw them mats away. Mats is trash, but I like it. Like sporty. This will be the car. I'm gonna put the JJ's cars and advice back on the back. Let my kids, decorate this. So we got us a Subaru Legacy, baby. We got us a Subaru Legacy. I'm gonna park it right back here in the back. I'm not gonna drive it. Right now. What is that? Until I get me another rim, so then I can get this. I'm gonna get 2 rims. I'm gonna go get on eBay. Try to grab me about 2 rims. Grab 2 rims, get this traction control off. Then I'm gonna get all new spark plugs and everything. Put brand new spark plugs and coils and get the oil change. But I already drove it down the street. It's got all the gears. It shifts like it's supposed to. Only 141,000 miles, but it drives kind of funny because you got a 16 wheel on side of 18. I'm gonna look online first. I'm gonna look on Marketplace, see if somebody happen to have a wreck one, or I might go out to the salvage, or I might. But I know it's a special edition, and I picked it up for such a good deal, So that's why I'm keeping it for this price, because I bought the Kia. I bought this for the same price I bought the Kia Turbo for. This is super. But nothing can ever replace the Kia Turbo. But But I bought me a car though. I bought me a car. So this is me and Subi. Me and Subi. Yeah, this is you're gonna be, your name gonna be Subi. Me and Subi, we rolling. So interior is already clean. Like I said, I'm gonna change the coils and everything, tune it up. Probably don't know if the serpentine belts need to be changed or whatever. I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna change, like I said, change the serpentine belts. I don't know, maybe valve cover gaskets. Maybe just to go ahead and just change everything. Just even though it don't need to be replaced, it's best as me. I want to just go ahead and change it because I'm gonna be driving it. It's only got 174,000 miles. You know, Subaru is up there. They got Subaru up there with like Toyota. Sometimes it's ranked higher than Toyota in reliability. So it's up there, Toyota, Honda, and all that. So at 141,000 miles, I can easily probably get another 200,000 out of this. At least another 150, probably get to 300K easy. But I'm gonna do search for some rims. I hope everybody's doing well. Let me know in the comment section below. I bought this car for 400 bucks. I'll put a screenshot right here so y'all know, and I'll also so y'all know, like, oh, y'all know if I bought a car for a price, I'm not gonna sit here and be here capping like, oh, I just bought this car for X amount of money. I'm gonna show y'all the proof that I'll purchase it for that much. Show y'all, so I'm bringing that. But I'm gonna let y'all look at Subi one more time. I'm gonna tune it up, grab me a rim and everything. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just replace this. I'm gonna probably put the Apple CarPlay in here. I'm gonna probably just change all this out. Put the Apple CarPlay. Put a little Apple CarPlay screen in here. Yeah, we got one key. Was this the one to unlock it? Okay, okay, so that's why the one on the key fob wasn't working. They put this aftermarket, so we got a little aftermarket alarm on. So we got the Harman Kardon system. Just need to be sprayed off. It need to be sprayed off a little bit, but other than that, and I can tell, like, if you can see that the wheel is out of line, probably because this wheel is so big too. This make a good spare though, but like you can see, like if y'all can see, like this wheel is like in like that. Like if y'all can see, like the top, as y'all can see, it's top. Then it doesn't go straight down. So y'all can see that it's out of aligned as well. So we're gonna put the right size wheel, right size rim and tire on there and get it aligned. And then, like I said, this rim's a little bent up, or it was the one on the other side. But we got us a car though. Thank everybody for rocking with us. We got us a car. I wish the other rim was in the trunk, but it's not. So I don't know exactly what happened to it. They probably had a blowout or something. Probably had a blowout, put the spare on. Probably the rim was probably so messed up that they didn't need it. But for 400 bucks, I can't beat it. I'm not going to complain. I'm gonna fix all the stuff with it. Spray it off, and then I'm gonna have me a good little personal car. 4-cylinder, great on gas. Can drive it in any weather. All-wheel drive. All of that good stuff. All the good stuff that goes along with the Subaru. So hey. And then, so let me get the miles for y'all, because this is what we're gonna do. Mileage Monday. I'm gonna see how much I actually drive, because I don't really drive that much. So we're gonna drop y'all mileage on y'all car. This is Mileage Monday. We want to see how much mileage. We're gonna be checking in every week on how many miles y'all be driving. So it's 141,492. 141,492. I'm probably not gonna do that much driving until I get the rim. But that's it. Appreciate everybody for rocking. I'm out. Peace.